Hi folks, welcome back to the chicken coop. We're going to be doing three things in this video. We're going to be bringing water to our chickens, we're going to be collecting eggs of course, and we have a beautiful salad prepared to give to our girls. So join us in this action-packed video. I'll go through the ingredients in this salad. Very nutritious, lots of protein and other stuff in there. We have an empty carton there. We're going to be collecting eggs very soon. First things first, let's bring some water to our girls. So here's a water container. This is the coop, but we'll go around the back toward the run, and we always feed and water our chickens in the run, never in the coop. Okay, so yeah, I want to make sure I lay down my water without tipping it over. The girls are eager to get some fresh water this morning. Now let me take off the carabiner. Good morning, girls. I know you're thirsty. I know you're thirsty. You're here already waiting for some snow. Let me come in. Let me get in. Let me get in. Let me get in. You thirsty? Okay, let's get some water. Here's your water container over here. Now, it's got a little bit of sand into it. A little bit of water left over from yesterday. It hasn't frozen because the temperatures have been quite mild here lately, so that's pretty good. Temperatures are around 0 and a -1, -2. So, but in here in the run, the temperatures are probably around 0 and 1 degree. There you go. You thirsty, girls? Okay, I'll be back shortly. I'll be back shortly with some salad. Okay, lots of food because I gave them some food yesterday, so the container should be full. I'm going to put the salad on this tray. So let me get this tray ready. Take out as much sand as I can, and I'll be back shortly with a beautiful salad for you. What do you think of that? So let's go and get that salad. Give me a second. Now, have some water while I'm gone. Let's go get that salad, folks. Here's the salad. I'll share with you the ingredients in this salad before I lay it out on that tray. So here's the container that we use to put our salads in. We feed the girls a salad probably once a week. Once a week. Lots of good ingredients. It keeps them laying eggs. We think, we've done a bit of research, and the research seems to tell us, we've watched a lot of other YouTube videos as well, and seems to be a consensus among chicken owners that salads are a good thing. Now, these girls, they're eager. They know the salad is on its way. Now, in here, lots of greens. There's kale and summer and leafy lettuce, that kind of stuff. There's apple in here. There's blueberry in here. There's dried grubs in here. There's eggshells in here. There's oats. There's yogurt tubes, actually. We had 3 or 4 yogurt tubes in the fridge for a while, so we decided to put them in with the salad. Now, we had a couple of pieces of pizza left over from last night, and so we decided to cut them up into small pieces, and that's in the salad as well. So lots of great nutrients for our chickens, for our girls in this salad indeed. Now they'll enjoy that. They'll all share it, hopefully. They seem to be getting along pretty good, all of our girls, all 15 of them. And they do enjoy their once a week salads. I wonder, do you serve your chickens salads? If you do, folks, let us know in the comments what ingredients you use in your salads. There you go. Now, one other item left to do this morning. We've brought the water. As you can see down there, there's the water container. And we've brought the salad. The other thing that we need to do, there's the water container that I brought from in the house. I'll bring that back. The other thing we have to do now is we have to collect the eggs from overnight. Okay, so let me gather up those 2 containers. Now, girls, enjoy your salad, and I'm going to go and collect your eggs. Here's my little egg carton. We're going to take that and go inside. Now, I'm not going to ring the bell today because they're outside. So let's go inside and see how much eggs we've got today. Now, I'll lay down my carton down here. Got a brown one down there, so I'll put that one in first. And I have a light brown one here. Now, the dark brown ones comes from the Norians, and the light brown ones comes from the Brown Rocks. So let's see what we got. We got a white one there. We got another white one there. Another dark brown one. Another light brown one. A white one from the Leghorns. Another white one from the Leghorn. We got a crushed one there too. A dark one. That one's from the Olive Acres, I do believe. Okay, so we've got 10 there, and a crushed one. Look at that. That's just too bad. Oh well, that happens from time to time. Now, so we've got 10. Let's go down through these. Okay, one more there is 11. We would have had 12, but that's not too bad. The poop shelf, I cleaned that one last week, and midweek as well. And every 2 or 3 days, like I said, I need to get out and clean off that poop shelf. It builds up rather quickly, and we only have 15. We only have 15 girls. Now, 11 eggs, one broke is 12. Probably later on this afternoon we'll get a couple of more as well. There you go. Eggs collected, water given to the girls, and a salad. We leave the opening to the coop and the run, this opening right here. Even though we could put it down, we do leave it up all year round. And the girls can freely go out into the run if they want. They're over there enjoying their salad now, or they can come in here. So that's their choice. We leave it like that. What do you do? Do you keep your girls barred in the coop all winter long, or do you allow them to freely go outside into the run? Let us know in the comments, of course. Now, I'm gonna go back inside, bring in my eggs, bring in my containers, and there you have it. Okay, folks, before I go, I just want to say thank you ever so much. And as always, appreciate you stopping by our YouTube channel, checking out our videos. Most of our videos of late have been about our chickens and the chicken coop, and I hope you do enjoy that. You are coming back to our videos, so that's a good thing and an indication that you must enjoy these videos. So thank you ever so much. So Mr. Garry here now, folks. Before I sign out, God bless you. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you in another video very soon here underneath the heave of our chicken coop. Take care, folks. See you in our next video.